Text you now. What allergy? Hey guys, it's Janaya and it's Melisha. Today we are going. How the fuck are you gonna charge your phone and the car's off? I didn't even peep you turned it off. Today we're gonna do a mukbang. I wanna know.
Mukbang. Wait.
A mukbang. A mukbang. Today I wanna see what's up with this one.
What?
Like, what's up with you? Don't even try to fucking copy me.
I wasn't gonna copy you.
Yo, we got McDonald's. I should've got some pizza.
Pizza, you're doing too damn much. Who was gonna eat a pizza in a car? Was you about to say me?
Me? I was reading the text. Her fat self was already trying to eat.
I only ate 2 fries. Like, 2 fries make me fat.
Alright, so what have you been doing?
With
People texting you?
yeah, people texting me. People texting you?
Nah.
That's a lie.
Who be texting me? You better not
You
say.
you know who I'm talking
You
about.
better not even say her name, cause that's not even my girlfriend.
You never said it was your girlfriend, but if it's not, then why do you have all those damn emojis on her name?
Actually, why she has mad emojis on mine?
Cause she likes you.
I love you.
So that means you like her?
My nigga, why the fuck would I like a fucking 13-year-old?
T.
Nigga, that shit about T, you liking my fucking cousin.
I don't fucking like your damn
You not
cousin.
swearing.
No, cause you don't like your damn cousin. And you better stop saying that. And I showed you. I texted him.
Let's talk about that boy.
He likes me. I don't like him.
Mm-hmm. When you was at school, you was mad people liking you.
Yeah, I didn't care. Cause I was taken.
No, you wasn't.
Yes, I was.
By who? T. Who you dating?
I was dating you in my school when I was in school.
I was. Wait, can you get a thumbnail?
Look at it.
Alright.
Ew. No, I'm gonna do a different one. No, cause I was dead about to stick out the middle finger. I just ripped my bag.
So, are you scared for high school? Are you scared?
Yes, I really am.
Why?
Because it's like I'm going into a whole different school, one, with whole different people.
Okay, you went to the upper academy.
Okay, I knew people there. Only person I know there is you.
No, you don't.
Who else?
No, you
Oh,
don't.
and Jalen.
And who else?
Elijah.
And who
But
else?
I'm pretty sure he's leaving next year. That's why I didn't say his name.
And who else?
Natasha, but I'm pretty sure she's leaving next year.
And who else?
I don't know.
You know, everybody.
TJ.
Oh, tell me.
But I don't like know him like that. I know his name.
Where the frick is my sweet and sour sauce? Sweet and sour sauce. What do you fucking call that shit?
What the hell?
Honey. Honey.
I would say check on top of the car, but I only put my drink up there.
I had it in my mouth. What?
Here!
I'm gonna pour it on top.
Oh, hell no.
Oh, there's sweet and sour sauce in here, I think. Ew. Am I sitting on it? Bruh! I'm not eating this fucking food on no fucking sweet sour sauce. I know that.
Then get up and look for it.
How? I'm already messing up my fucking pile.
You can fix the pile after.
That's a lot.
And I guess you don't want your damn...
Let me see sweet sour sauce.
No. Because you're going to pour it. All I need is your body.
There you go. I found it. It was on my lap. Well,
See, I told y'all. She don't look for nothing.
Mother, who the fuck found your goddamn AirPods?
You I didn't put it in my room. I mean, your room, though.
Miss Chanel say you don't look.
I looked. I didn't look. I didn't look.
No.
I was dead looking at freaking living room all day yesterday. Then, because I know I didn't put it into the room. So one of y'all had to put it into the room.
My nigga, she was on the phone. She seen it. I was like, yo.
But she was in the living room, though.
Who?
And then she went into the room.
Can I have some fries?
No.
I'm hungry no more.
Okay. So... No, because I really almost swallowed this whole fry. So who have you been texting lately?
Nobody? Who the fuck you have been texting?
Nobody?
Sit on that house.
You said nobody, so I said nobody.
You know who wasn't texting.
Not everyone that should be texting.
The only person I text is her.
Oh, not my business.
So who you be texting?
My friends.
She's my friend too.
Okay.
Okay then.
That's weird. I'm not even gonna continue with that. What I was gonna say though, cause
I think I'm gonna do another vlog when I'm moving. There's a 5 minutes.
the hell?
What?
I dispute that.
What?
You was like, something, I don't know what you said, about, cause there's someone texting me that likes me.
Nigga, what?
Yeah, I'm like, cause you were saying something about the person that.
Nigga, right there. The person texting her right there.
About someone liking me.
And she changed her password.
You changed yours too.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
How you gonna tell me?
Chanel tried to go on your phone to change the song. It didn't work.
They probably did the password wrong.
No, she knows your password too.
Are you gonna help me move?
Now I'm over here choking on juice. Oh my god. I got myself in the chicken and I'm just eating them.
You want your what?
I make chicken. Don't look in my bag.
My nigga, I did not look. I'm saying you drank my damn drink and you did.
This is one of mine.
No, it's not.
Yes, it was.
No.
You put yours
No,
here.
it's not.
Janaya?
That's mine.
You know I put my damn straw in first. And it was right here. Yes. I'm mad because this is the one I drank out. You didn't even drink out of that. Who have you been calling lately?
Nobody.
Who's nobody?
I just started calling her yesterday.
No, I'm not talking about her. I'm talking about people in general.
Nobody.
I know you're about to ask me that.
I know, I am. We have been calling.
Brianna?
Matthias.
He don't even got the iPhone. How am I gonna call him?
You can call people who has Android. You be calling your mama.
On regular phone. I don't have his number. Anyways, I've been FaceTiming Brianna, Gabby.
My cousin.
No, I don't call him.
I don't care about no
Someone
girls. I don't
from my
care no
school.
girls. I just want to hear all boys' names.
Only boy is RJ and my brother Label. Wait, let me check my contact.
Put your phone down.
I'm checking my FaceTime log. Wait. What?
Done.
Why isn't it working? Okay. Only boys. Ty, my brother Label, RJ. From yesterday or all the time?
I don't really care no more.
Like, I don't call boys. I'm always on the phone with a girl.
Not even in the video, kid.
I know.
You scared to eat right in front of them? Why are you so scared?
I'm not scared. I smoke cigarettes.
Yo, you know that I could get in trouble for that.
Shut up, her out. Take it out! 13 minutes into the video. Take that part out.
She eat too slow. She get dressed slow. She take a shower.
First of all, you know I went upstairs while Chanel was dressed. And she was still getting ready.
It doesn't matter. If Chanel wasn't with her, you still would be taking forever.
No, I was still on. And I came down
I don't have to
fast.
do my hair. My hair, I just throw this thing on. Call it a okay.
I want those.
I don't want it either. I don't know where your hair's been. Fucking 6 feet.
Bitch, where would they been?
Give me!
Oh my god.
I put shoes not even on all the way.
You know his shoes are in the hallway?
Yeah, it's just laying everywhere. No, it's not like that no more.
Today. In the hallway where your room is.
I don't know.
Okay, I'm about to experiment.
Well, not to eat a burger.
Season the burger to make chicken. I wonder if they changed that lady's food.
That is so nasty.
Oh. So are we done talking?
My nigga!
Yeah, exactly.
She probably has a fucking corona.
Have the fucking nerve to say that and you drink my juice.
Never mind, I know I did it.
But you're still drinking out of it. Y'all didn't see that.
That's why I am. Alright, we see y'all later. She eats too slow.
You know I can't eat anything with bread fast. You're nasty. I should really slap you for that.
Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that little bell. Comment down below what type of video y'all want to see next. Gone.